Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 社. Step by step, I will write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write 社. Society. Group or agency. For example, 社区 社区 community. Here is a sentence. Without the help of the communities, we would be lost. 如果没有社区的帮助，我们会不知所措。Without the help of the communities. We would be lost. "如果没有社区的帮助，社区的帮助，我们会不知所措。如果没有，社区的帮助 help， 我们会不知所措。Without the help of the communities, we would be lost. My daily handwriting on the character 社. Society, group, agency. 社区 community. Without the help of communities, we would be lost. 如果没有社区的帮助，我们会不知所措。社 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 社. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.